Samsung Galaxy M02s with triple rear cameras launched, price, availability and specs. The Samsung Galaxy M02s succeeds the Galaxy M01 lineup that was introduced in India last year. The phone is currently available in Nepal, but will reach other markets including India soon. Samsung has unveiled the Galaxy M02s in limited markets, a day after the company announced its launch in India on January 7. The latest budget smartphone from the South Korean tech giant carries triple cameras at the back and Qualcomm Snapdragon 450 SoC under the hood. As the name suggests, the Galaxy M02s succeeds the Galaxy M01 lineup that was introduced in India last year. The company will also launch the premium Galaxy S21 series globally at its Unpacked 2021 event on January 14. The newly launched Samsung Galaxy M02s is currently available in Nepal at NPR 15,999, that is approximately 9,900 rupees, for the lone 4GB RAM and 64GB storage variant. The Samsung Nepal website does not reflect the smartphone yet, though the device is on sale via Darazi.com. Customers can also choose between its black, blue and red color options. Samsung India may launch the phone's similar color finish on January 7. In terms of specifications, the budget Galaxy M02s sports a 6.5-inch HD, 720x1,560 pixels, display with water drop notch that houses the single selfie camera and a considerable chin. It packs the octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 450 SoC paired with Adreno 506 GPU and 4GB of RAM. It is unclear whether the 64GB of onboard storage is expandable via microSD card. The rear cameras are placed inside a rectangular module that also includes the LED flash. The triple rear camera setup on the Galaxy M02 includes a 13-megapixel primary camera, 2-megapixel depth sensor, and a 2-megapixel macro camera. For selfie and video calling, there's a 5-megapixel selfie camera with f/2.2 aperture. The camera app comes preloaded with features such as auto flash, digital zoom, HDR, and more. Other features on the Samsung Galaxy M02s include a 5000 mAh battery with 15W quick charge support. The company claims that the large battery can offer video playback for an entire day.